What's going on, gardeners? It's Jacob out here in the Blue Lake Natural Discovery Garden. It's springtime here at the garden, and springtime is prime time for viewing one of nature's most efficient pollinators, the mason bee. These in particular are blue orchard mason bees behind me, and I wanted to share 3 top tips with you all if you're planning on taking care of mason bees somewhere in your neighborhood. Alright, so my first tip is to give them a good home. And these mason bee blocks, along with plastic tubes that you can split open, are the ideal solutions for giving mason bees a place to lay their eggs. And, bonus, in June when they have laid their cocoons, you can easily bust those blocks open, scoop the cocoons out, and safely store them until next spring. My second tip is to provide them with fresh mud with which to build their nests. All I've got here is some mud down there on top of some rocks, and every once in a while I'll just need to come in with the watering can and moisten that again. I'll let that soak in, and that'll be good for them to use. And my final suggestion for you all today is to provide a diversity of flowers for the mason bees, like this viburnum here. Providing them with a wide range of flowers will ensure that they have enough pollen and nectar so that they can create the next generation of mason bees. There's a bunch of different reasons we don't use pesticides or other harsh garden chemicals in this garden. And these mason bees here, they're one reason. You see, pollinators, like mason bees, need our help because pesticides and chemicals can make them sick. So I hope you've learned something from this video. I hope you're excited about keeping mason bees in your neighborhood. Until next time, this is Jacob with the Natural Gardening Team reminding you to garden more with fewer chemicals.